This is a BMW E70 car, and now we're ready to upgrade it to a more powerful Linux Slim screen. Pry out the air conditioning trim panel with the rocker. Take out the connecting plug on the back of the air conditioning trim panel, and then place the air conditioning trim panel to one side. Remove the fixing screws of the original display screen. Press the LVDS plug button on the back of the original display screen. Then take out the LVDS cable plug, and then place the original display screen. Remove the fixing screws of the host panel. Take out the connecting plug on the back of the host panel, and then place the host panel of the original vehicle. Remove the fixing screws of the original host. Pull the original host outward. Take out the original host. Then hold the E70 plug buckle of the main engine and pull it backward to take out the E70 plug of the host. Press the small buckle on the original E70 head with tweezers and take out the 2P green optical fiber cable. Put the Linux E70 harness inside the instrument panel and thread the plug end to the base of the display screen. Connect the FB ground wires on the E70 harness to connect the wires. Connect the E70 plug of the original host to the main of Linux E70 harness. Connect the 2P green fiber optic cable to the Linux E70 female and insert it firmly. Be careful not to insert it in the wrong direction. Connect the Linux E70 cable female to the back of the original host. Insert the plug and press the buckle to make it firmly installed. Install the original host back to its original position. Confirm that it is installed in place, and then lock and fix the original host. Restore the connection plug on the back of the host panel, and then install it back in place. Thread the USB harness plug to the base of the display, and lay the female end of the USB connection cable into the passenger compartment. Attach the base and lock the screws. Restore the connection plug on the back of the air conditioning trim panel, and then install it back to its original position. Connect the LVDS extension cable to the stock LVDS harness. Connect the plugs of the YEEHUNG harness and USB harness to the back of the Linux device, and connect the stock LVDS male connector to the back port of the Linux device via the LVDS extension cable. Install the Linux device to the stock display base. Ignition. Start the car powered on to check whether the Linux device can be turned on normally. Check whether the functions are normal.